Augmented reality welding simulation and training. When training new welders, it can be difficult to give them enough time to practice their craft. It involves providing all the necessary materials and an environment where they can safely repeat the process a number of times. Time-consuming and wasteful, the learning process also requires a lot of guidance from experienced welders. Simulating the welding process in augmented reality offers a far more efficient alternative. A headset with full color pass-through tracks a physical welding torch against a real surface, adding virtual occlusion lighting, a virtual weld seam, and even expert guidance. This allows trainees to repeat the process as many times as required, with zero health and safety risks, scrap, or waste. The approach not only offers a great starting point for trainees, but also lets experienced welders practice on a specific workpiece setup.